Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cook meat in 99 nights in the forest game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get meat, you need to kill bunny or kill the fox, and then you will get this kind of meat. If you want to kill the bunny or the fox, you just need to use your axe like this, and then you can beat the bunny or the fox with the axe, and then you will get meat or a morsel. And then if you want to cook it, just put it on the fire just for a while, and then you will be able to eat it. Just click on eat. And then remember guys, don't eat the meat before you cook it because it will make you die sooner. So you need to put it on the fire first, so it will be cooked and you will be able to eat it. And to get more morsels or more meats, you need to kill more animals in the forest. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.